Ever wish you could automate your work without becoming a full-time coder? Low-code AI platforms are your shortcut. These tools let you build smart workflows using drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built AI models. You don't need to write complex code, just connect the dots. Perfect for marketers, analysts, and even small business owners. Let's explore how to integrate AI fast and make your workflow smarter, not harder. Start with identifying repetitive tasks in your workflow: email sorting, data entry, or customer queries. Then use low-code tools like Microsoft Power Automate or Zapier with AI plugins. These platforms let you integrate AI models like sentiment analysis or OCR with just a few clicks. You'll be surprised how quickly you can automate hours of work without writing a single line of code. Want to add AI-powered insights to your reports? Use low-code platforms like Google AppSheet or Airtable with AI integrations. You can pull in machine learning predictions, auto-generate summaries, or even forecast trends. These tools connect directly to your data sources and require minimal setup. It's like having a data scientist in your pocket without the overhead or complexity. Integrating AI into customer service. Use low-code platforms like Landbot or ChatFuel to build smart chatbots. These tools let you plug in natural language processing models to understand and respond to users. No need to code a backend, just define the logic visually. You'll reduce response time, improve customer satisfaction, and free up your team for more complex tasks. Need to process documents fast? Use low-code AI tools like UiPath or Automation Anywhere with built-in OCR and NLP. These platforms can extract data from invoices, contracts, or forms in seconds. Just define the input and output and let the AI handle the rest. It's a game changer for finance, HR, and legal teams drowning in paperwork. Want to personalize marketing without hiring a data team? Use low-code AI tools like Pelterion or MonkeyLearn to analyze customer behavior and segment audiences. These platforms let you train and deploy models visually. You can then plug them into your CRM or email platform to deliver hyper-targeted campaigns. It's fast, scalable, and surprisingly easy to implement. Before you dive in, remember, start small. Pick one workflow, test an AI integration, and measure the impact. Low-code tools are powerful, but they shine brightest when used with purpose. Focus on time-saving wins, not flashy features. With the right approach, you'll build smarter systems that scale without burning out your team or your budget.